Next up, we have Crossbred Gilt 5-10.
Yes, 5-10 is very similar to the mate gilt that's in here. This one projects out to be probably a better heavyweight. She's got a little more extension. Looks like a lady out in front of her blade. Again, her length of cannon's good. She's probably a half rib longer bodied, and again, which projects out as they kind of grow into themselves, being the very best they can at a heavyweight type of status. This one will have just a shot more elevation, a shot cast just a little bigger shadow. She's just going to be a little bigger frame, more elevated, a little more extended, but she's still got the stuff. I mean, her squareness of rib and shape of body. She's square topped, abundance of muscle behind, but not out of bounds. Everything again reaches very good off of both ends. This one just needs to go ahead and just kind of grow into herself with the right feeding program. Just a little added fat there to kind of bulk that center just a little bit. That one again is going to be a very, very fun one. Could be jackpotted early, run for a long period of time, and run as a heavyweight as a big breeding gilt right on through the fall. That is 5-10 Crossbred Gilt.